Hello everyone, I'm Jubair and from limitlesstradehub.com, and our today's topic is let's find an edge at the very beginning of the trading day. That means if you can find an edge then at the very beginning of your day, then you can be successful. How? Because at the rest of the day you will try to find buy or sell at your side. Like if you find an edge that some particular market, for say like gold market, this is an sell mode, then you will try to sell the gold at the rest of your day. So finding an edge is very important.
First, we need to check out what's happening at today's market, and we can check out this by observing the same pair, the same currency against some different currency. Like for example, here I have picked euro, so I already set up my chart, my today's chart at this is euro CAD, this is euro JPY, euro GBP, euro Swiss franc, euro USD, euro AUD, and euro New Zealand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 different pairs, but our left side currency is same, all here is euro. So now let's begin from euro CAD. If we observe, then we can see clearly that the pair is in down mode, obviously in down mode. So here if we observe this, then we can say that euro CAD is in down mode. Now let's go for euro JPY. In 1 hour chart, if we go for euro JPY, then this pair is in uptrend, this is not in downtrend. Again we will check now euro JPY. And euro GBP, this is euro GBP, and this pair is in this pair was in uptrend, but now price is falling. Okay, that doesn't matter. Now we'll check at euro Swiss franc. Sorry, again this pair is in uptrend. If we check now at Euro USD 1 hour chart, this pair is in clear downtrend. If we check now Euro AUD, then okay, recent highs, this pair is also in downtrend. This is Euro New Zealand, and this pair is also in downtrend. So now we will write down our summary. Like what? Euro sorry, EuroCAD down, Euro JPY up, Euro GBP up, Euro Swiss franc up, Euro USD down, Euro AUD down, Euro AUD down, Euro New Zealand down. This is our summary. So what can we assume with this summary? That 4 pairs are down and 3 pairs are in uptrend in the same major currency, again different currency. So now if we want to trade if we want to start our day with an successful edge, then we need to come and solution and conclusion, and that is, if we watch very carefully, first we begin to add Euro GBP, that this pair is in uptrend, although in most recent cases, in most recent data, we are seeing that the pair is in falling, but Euro is a very strong currency and GBP is also a very strong currency. So we always need to check out a strong currency against a weak currency. But here euro is a strong currency and GBP also is a strong currency. And if we check euro JPY is also uptrend, euro Swiss franc is also an uptrend. So here now we can come to the conclusion that after observing those all pairs, euro is weak than Canadian dollar, euro is weak than USD. So here euro is weak, USD is strong, euro is weak, AUD is strong, euro is weak, and New Zealand dollar also is strong. So here we can come to a conclusion that euro is weak and Australian dollar is strong, euro is weak and New Zealand dollar is strong. We can see this in our chart. But here euro GBP, euro is in uptrend, so euro is strong and GBP is in weak mode. Here euro is strong, GBP weak. So we can come to a conclusion that as euro is strong than GBP, you know what? Euro is strong than GBP and euro is weak than Australian dollar. So ultimately Australian dollar is weak strong than GBP. This is the result, as euro is strong than GBP but euro is weak than Australian dollar. So ultimately Australian dollar is strong than GBP and again New Zealand dollar is strong than GBP. This is the ultimate result. So if we come to this conclusion that this is our main gist, we find that after all the calculation, Australian dollar is strong than pound and New Zealand dollar is also strong than pound. So now we can check out our chart. Here this is GBP AUD, means pound against Australian dollar. We can clearly see in our chart that this is in downtrend. So GBP is weaker than Australian dollar. In other words, we can say that Australian dollar is strong here against GBP. GBP is weaker than Australian dollar. And if we go for GBP New Zealand, the same result we will find here. GBP is weaker than our currency New Zealand dollar, where we found it. New Zealand is strong and GBP is weak. So GBP is weak and New Zealand dollar is strong. If we gather this information in our mind and now we will trade with all this information, like at the very beginning of the day, with just spending just 30 minutes, we can come to a conclusion that GBP is weak, Australian dollar is strong, GBP is weak and New Zealand dollar is strong. So whole day we will wait, or we will try to find an area, try to find an opportunity to sell pound and buy Australian dollar, or sell pound and buy New Zealand dollar, as Australian and New Zealand dollar is strong against pound. So like this way we will wait price to come this position, like this position. If price come this position and we can see any types of rejection, we can sell from here. sell GBP against AUD. Again, the same logic will be applied at GBP New Zealand dollar. We will wait to price come this area, like this area. When price will come this area, then if we see any rejection, then we will sell pound against New Zealand dollar. And by this way, just calculating our weaker and stronger currency, we can find a complete and successful edge at the very beginning of our trading day.
So I think everyone clearly understand what is an edge and how can we use this at our trading method. If you have any question, regarding this video, then you can comment me in the comment box. I will try to clear you. I'll try to answer your all queries, and most importantly, you can use this method in any types of market like forex market, stock market, in mutual fund, any types of market. So goodbye for today.